The Telehook 3070 tilt ceiling brings a new level of elegance and sophistication to flat panel display mounting. Its high level of versatility, ease of installation, and aesthetically pleasing look make it a winning design. Able to support flat panel TVs up to 91 kilograms or 200 pounds, this advanced ceiling mount features infinite adjustment capability. The extendable pole, finished in durable gloss white powder coating, can be positioned up to 2 meters or 78 inches away from the ceiling. 360-degree rotation around the pole, as well as tilt and horizontal adjustments, perfect the viewing position and maximize display impact. The universal mounting hole pattern gives you much greater flexibility when choosing a display. This mount can also be easily upgraded to support 2 displays back-to-back. Installation is surprisingly simple. Our true internal cable management professionally finishes off the design, allowing you to feed all necessary cabling through the center of the pole without removing the data and power plugs. This is a great time saver for any installer. Before you begin installation, make sure the ceiling structure is strong enough to support the weight of the mount and the displays attached to it. Depending on your type of ceiling, choose the appropriate installation procedure. All mounting hardware is included to attach the mounting plate to the ceiling. Next, attach the ceiling mount cover. Simply slide the cover to conceal the mounting plate for a professional and clean look. The Telehook ceiling tilt mount comes with an extendable pole, which can accommodate different height requirements. This enables the mount to cater for any ceiling height and allows it to be fitted to a variety of installation environments. Use the hanger extensions to choose between one of 4 height options. First, to set the height between 220 and 470 millimeters, that's 8 to 18 inches, use one hanger only. Settings are every 50 millimeters or 2 inches. You may choose to cut the excess hanger to improve aesthetics and cable management. To set the height range between 650 and 1000 millimeters, that's 25 to 39 inches, use the inner hanger and collar joiner. The inner hanger position can be adjusted at 50 millimeter increments or every 2 inches. The third option is to set the height between 1070 and 1820 millimeters or 42 to 71 inches. Use a combination of the inner hanger and the extension hanger. As in the previous options, you can set the height at 50 millimeter or 2-inch increments. You can also attach the collar joiner to gain additional length or cut the excess of the extension hanger to improve aesthetics and cable management. Finally, the longest height setting is between 1,650 and 2,000 millimeters or 65 to 78 inches. Use a combination of all extension parts, the inner hanger, extension hanger, and hanger joiner and the collar joiner. Once you've set the height of your mount, attach the left and right brackets to the rear of your display. The Telehook tilt ceiling comes with a universal mounting hole configuration, which will suit a broad range of displays with various mounting hole patterns. Now you need to attach the horizontal bar which will hold the display. Insert the bar into the hanger pole collar and use the screws supplied to fix it into position. Next, attach the 2 sliders to the horizontal bar on both sides, equally spacing them from the center of the bar. Tighten the grub screws. These screws don't have to be tightened firmly at this point of time, as you may need to adjust the slider position to suit your display. To fix the mount to the ceiling hanger, attach the 3 swivel inserts to the hanger at the height you've chosen for your display. Attach the front and rear hanger pole collar so that it sits on the swivel collars. Tighten the screws so that the hanger pole collar is secure. However, do not over-tighten. If you're mounting 2 displays in the back-to-back configuration, you'll need to attach the back-to-back collar suitable for mounting 2 screens. This item is sold separately as an upgrade. Before mounting your display, you can easily conceal all the cables and wiring using the true internal cable management system. Simply remove the cable cover and feed the cables through the cable hole. This is one of the most prominent features of this mount, and it allows you to feed all the cabling through the pole without the need to remove the data and power plugs first. This is achieved by the generous internal diameter of the main hanger pole. You will now need an assistant to help you mount the display onto the horizontal bar. Ensure sliders are correctly in position and secure them in place by tightening the grub screw. Hook the brackets over the sliders and use the screws supplied to firmly secure the display in position. If you are mounting two screens using the back-to-back configuration, this procedure is identical for the second screen. You can now set your display to the desired position. This state-of-the-art ceiling mount is designed to achieve maximum visibility to optimize the power of your display. The screen can be fully rotated by 360 degrees around the pole. Display tilt can be adjusted by up to 25 degrees to perfect the viewing angle and reduce screen glare. You can also fine-tune the horizontal position of the display by 5 degrees after the screen has been installed. For additional security of your screen, we recommend using small padlocks which can be inserted on both sides of the display brackets. We also supply vinyl strips to cover unused holes on the pole to give the installation a final, professional, and clean look.